If opportunity doesn't know, then build a door. George and Lily is an entrepreneurial couple who owns the biggest and probably the only supermarket of its range in Kumbalangi. Starting from a love marriage with a little money and no shelter, they grew into establishing a supermarket in the heart of the village, and the journey was quite interesting. George, from a richest family, falls in love with Lily, his best friend. They get married without their family consent in 1990, and it was a great issue back then. They lived in a rented house, and with the only money they had, put a shop. They chose to put in opposite the school, near the church, away from the market. The market already had any shop, and they knew that they would face competition if they get in there. Lily was the one who planned everything and ran the shop as George went for other works. Although they started a grocery shop, they realized that stationery item would be very profitable, as the school was just opposite the shop. In those days, shop in the village didn't took much stationery item. Introducing new products and services may not work well, but Lily and George knew that it's important to take risk, to climb up and make some profit. The small shop and new tiny things amazed the children as well as elders, and the shop started become popular. In coming years, they carefully watched the need of the generation and brought more brought in all those things that were new in market. That's the best strategy to thrive in a village. Um, Village, bring them astounding things they haven't seen before. George had to stop going other works to be at the shop. For to be at the shop, they also reconciled with the family and moved back home. In coming years, the shop grew from one to three, and they started planning something bigger, a supermarket, a place for everything. The initial fund were raised from family savings. They brought a square plot in the fundamental part of the village, close to market. They had to sell shops to finish off works, give the name Meramart. It is the only place in Kumbalangi with such variety of products under one roof. So many customs and 30 employees, according to George and Lily. There is a plan of action that made them flourish here. First one, merchandising. The process of displaying and selling products to customers play a major role in business. Disarrayed stocks and inept behavior of staff doesn't attract customers. In a store, retailer use merchandising to influence customer intent. They also have a customer's diary for them to note their concerns and complaints. Next is creating a safe, healthy, and positive environment, both for employees and the customers. Working in a pleasant and comfortable environment makes employee productive. Promotional activities at first include notices in local newspaper and a grand inauguration mela where people who won lots were given grand prizes. Giving discount and prices is one of the brilliant marketing tactics to attract customers. Later, Miramar was publicized for placing various public litter bins across the village. They used bags made of paper and cloth in the shop to avoid pollution. Our entrepreneur couple believes that going eco-friendly is social obligation. Is a social obligation. Health products are also widely aided by the mart. They have a separate section for management and marketing of healthcare products, cosmetics, and healthy food. Kumbalangi is a model rural village, and the mart provide tourists with their necessities. The pandemic didn't cause much crisis to the mart. In fact, people started to rely on the shop more during this time. The mart started providing home deliveries for every customers who order via mobile. They employed more youth on a daily basis to reach out of the customers, and now it becomes a trend. It is also from a realization that to complete with the online shopping methods, we need to upgrade. The products, discounts, offers, etc. are promoted via social media too. They are planning to further extend the shop, including garments and electricals. Another branch of the Meramat in Chelanam is also in the list.
These couples are really great example and inspiration for us. Thank you for watching this video.